1. 1926 Ford Model T bucket. Price, $37,500, located in Kearney, Missouri. The 1926 Ford Model T bucket is a stunning custom hot rod that combines classic Ford heritage with modern high-performance engineering. Finished in eye-catching plum crazy purple with a bright yellow interior, this award-winning roadster delivers both visual impact and serious power. Built from an original 1926 steel body and boxed frame, it retains authentic character while offering modern reliability and performance. Power comes from a professionally built 383 cubic inch V8 equipped with a Dyer's supercharger and Holley Sniper fuel injection system. The engine features forged internal components, aluminum cylinder heads, a hydraulic roller camshaft, and a heavy-duty block designed for forced induction applications. Producing impressive horsepower and torque, this setup delivers thrilling acceleration and an unforgettable driving experience. The vehicle has been carefully maintained by its current owners since 2022 and remains in very good condition with a clean title. It has earned recognition at major automotive events, including a first-place award at World of Wheels and another local car show victory. With its unique appearance, proven show history, powerful drivetrain, and authentic steel construction, this 1926 Ford Model T bucket is an exceptional opportunity for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts seeking a standout classic that performs as impressively as it looks. 2. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Model A. Price, $28,000, located in Lenexa, Kansas. The 1931 Ford Hot Rod Model A is a beautifully customized street rod that combines classic Ford styling with dependable V8 performance and modern driving comfort. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this eye-catching sedan has been carefully built to provide both show-quality appearance and reliable road manners. With approximately 13,000 miles driven and a clean title, it remains a well-maintained example of a traditional American hot rod. Power comes from a legendary 392 Chrysler Hemi engine paired with a Holley carburetor and a GM 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by an 8-inch Ford rear end with positraction and performance gearing. A Pete and Jake's frame and suspension system, Super Bell front axle, rear coilovers, front disc brakes, and Vega steering box provide confident handling and cruising capability. Additional highlights include a Mercedes cloth top, ghost flame paintwork, custom airbrushed accents, polished stainless headers, Cadillac taillights, aluminum radiator, knotty pine headliner, premium stereo system, heater, chrome tilt steering column, and custom wheels. This Ford runs smoothly on regular fuel and is ready for shows, cruises, and weekend adventures. 3. 1975 Volkswagen Beetle Custom Drag Car. Price, $40,000, located in Omaha, Nebraska. The 1975 Volkswagen Beetle has been transformed into an extraordinary street-legal drag machine that delivers serious horsepower and impressive engineering. Featuring a stretched wheelbase chassis and aggressive stance, this unique build offers the perfect combination of classic Volkswagen styling and modern American V8 performance. Finished in brown and carrying a clean title, it stands out wherever it goes. At the heart of the build is a powerful Chevrolet small block engine featuring a Dart SHP block, AFR cylinder heads, forged internals, performance camshaft, and a Wian supercharger topped with dual carburetors. A substantial nitrous system provides even greater performance potential when desired. The engine is paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, high stall converter, and transmission brake. Additional features include a quick performance 9-inch rear axle, performance gearing, heavy-duty axles, Willwood disc brakes, Mickey Thompson street slicks, custom wheels, and a dedicated fuel system for nitrous operation. Street legal and designed to run on premium pump fuel, this Beetle offers an exciting blend of reliability, power, and unique custom craftsmanship. 4. 1932 Ford GT Coupe. Price, $40,000, located in Greenville, Ohio. The 1932 Ford GT Coupe is a classic 5-window hot rod that delivers timeless styling and impressive performance. Featuring a genuine steel body finished in rich purple over a black interior, this custom-built coupe represents the spirit of traditional American hot rodding. With a clean title and low reported mileage, it remains an attractive choice for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive street machine. Power is supplied by a modified Oldsmobile 442 V8 engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and Hurst shifter. This combination provides strong acceleration and an engaging driving experience that appeals to traditional hot rod fans. The drivetrain is complemented by classic centerline wheels that enhance the vehicle's aggressive appearance. The build maintains a balanced combination of performance and classic design, making it suitable for car shows, cruise nights, and weekend driving. Its steel body construction adds authenticity and value, while the manual transmission delivers a more connected feel behind the wheel. This 1932 Ford Coupe offers vintage character, reliable performance, and unmistakable hot rod appeal for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 5. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $42,000, located in Roseville, Ohio. The 1932 Ford Roadster is a professionally built hot rod that combines premium components with timeless styling. Finished as a classic open-top roadster, this vehicle has been carefully assembled using quality parts throughout and remains in excellent condition. Titled as a 1932 Ford and owned by the seller, it represents a strong opportunity for collectors seeking a reliable and attractive custom build. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 equipped with aluminum cylinder heads and a Holley tri-power induction system. The engine is paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring performance-oriented gearing. A TCI frame, stainless suspension components, rack and pinion steering, and four-wheel power disc brakes provide excellent handling and road manners. The Roadster offers the perfect balance of classic appearance and modern drivability. Built with attention to detail and quality craftsmanship, it is suitable for long-distance cruising, weekend events, and local car shows. With its powerful drivetrain and premium chassis components, this 1932 Ford Roadster is ready to be enjoyed immediately. 6. 1936 Ford Truck. Price, $12,000, located in Loveland, Ohio. The 1936 Ford Truck is a freshly built custom hot rod project that offers classic styling and dependable V8 performance at an affordable price. This unique truck has undergone significant upgrades and provides an excellent foundation for cruising, customizing, or further restoration. Its straightforward design and solid mechanical setup make it appealing to both experienced enthusiasts and newcomers to the hot rod hobby. Under the hood is a freshly built 355 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck also benefits from a new frame, new front axle, and four-wheel disc brake system, providing improved safety and drivability compared to many traditional vintage trucks. These upgrades help create a reliable package that is ready for regular use and enjoyment. The vehicle runs well and presents a classic hot rod appearance that captures attention wherever it goes. With its combination of proven Chevrolet power, upgraded chassis components, and timeless Ford styling, this 1936 Ford truck offers outstanding value and plenty of potential for future customization or immediate enjoyment on the road. 7. 1931 Ford Highboy 5-Window Coupe. Price, $35,000, located in Fayette, Ohio. The 1931 Ford Highboy 5-Window Coupe is a beautifully crafted traditional hot rod that combines classic styling with dependable performance and custom craftsmanship. Finished in stunning House of Color passion purple paint over a tan custom interior, this all-steel Oklahoma body coupe stands out with its aggressive stance and timeless design. With approximately 15,000 miles driven and a clean title, it remains a well-maintained and enjoyable street rod. Power comes from a reliable 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with an FMX automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance for cruising and weekend drives. The drivetrain is supported by a Chevrolet 10-bolt rear axle, while the front suspension features a 4-inch drop-straight axle and front disc brakes for improved handling and stopping power. Additional highlights include a 4-inch chopped roof, custom T-seat, Ron Francis wiring system, classic gauges, I-Did-It steering column, custom upholstery, 32 Ford grille, 15-gallon fuel tank, and stylish wheels. This Highboy coupe offers the perfect combination of vintage hot rod character, dependable mechanics, and show-quality appearance for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive classic Ford. 8. 1931 Ford Coupe Hot Rod. Price, $15,500, located in Clarkston, Michigan. The 1931 Ford Coupe Hot Rod is a compact and powerful street machine that delivers classic hot rod excitement with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance. Finished as a traditional Ford hot rod, this vehicle offers an appealing combination of vintage styling, strong mechanical components, and everyday drivability. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable and enjoyable classic custom car. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors, providing strong power and a distinctive appearance whenever the hood is raised. The engine is paired with an automatic overdrive transmission that helps improve highway cruising and overall driving comfort. Power steering and power brakes further enhance drivability, making the vehicle easier to handle in a variety of driving conditions. This Ford runs and drives very well, offering reliable performance for local cruises, weekend events, and classic car gatherings. Its traditional hot rod styling, proven drivetrain, and comfortable road manners make it an attractive option for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a fun and affordable American classic. 9. 1946 Rat Rod Truck. Price, $22,000, located in Urbana, Ohio. The 1946 Rat Rod truck is a rugged custom build that captures the raw spirit of traditional hot rodding. Finished in black and featuring classic rat rod styling, this unique truck delivers plenty of character along with dependable V8 performance. Built to be driven and enjoyed, it offers a distinctive appearance that stands apart from more polished show vehicles. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination provides reliable operation and strong performance for cruising, local events, and weekend adventures. The truck runs and drives well, benefiting from numerous recently installed components that help keep it mechanically sound and roadworthy. Its weathered appearance and aggressive stance create the authentic rat rod look that many enthusiasts appreciate. While designed with simplicity in mind, the truck remains comfortable enough for regular enjoyment and casual driving. For buyers seeking a unique custom vehicle with classic hot rod attitude, dependable Chevrolet power, and eye-catching presence, this 1946 Rat Rod truck offers an exciting opportunity at an attractive price point. 10. 1931 Ford Model A Victoria. Price, $25,000, located in Amelia, Ohio. The 1931 Ford Model A Victoria is a stylish custom street rod that combines classic Ford design with upgraded performance and modern reliability. Featuring a timeless body style and a strong V8 drivetrain, this vehicle offers an enjoyable driving experience while maintaining the distinctive appearance that made the model famous among collectors and enthusiasts. Power is provided by a Chevrolet 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, creating a dependable combination suitable for cruising, weekend travel, and classic car events. The drivetrain is complemented by a Ford 9-inch rear axle, providing durability and dependable performance. Numerous new components have been installed throughout the vehicle, helping ensure reliable operation and reduced maintenance requirements. This Victoria presents a balanced mix of vintage charm and practical usability. Its upgraded mechanical systems make it easier to enjoy than many original-era vehicles while preserving the character that hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. Whether attending local shows, participating in cruise nights, or simply enjoying open-road driving, this 1931 Ford Model A Victoria delivers classic American motoring enjoyment with custom street rod appeal. 11. 1931 Ford Model A Vic. Price, $25,000, located in Amelia, Ohio. The 1931 Ford Model A Vic is a classic American hot rod that combines vintage styling with dependable V8 performance. Finished in a traditional appearance that reflects the golden age of custom-built street rods, this vehicle offers a unique driving experience while maintaining the unmistakable character of a genuine Model A. Powered by a reliable 305 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this car delivers smooth acceleration and comfortable cruising for weekend drives, local car shows, and community events. The drivetrain is supported by a sturdy Ford 9-inch rear end, providing durability and confidence on the road. According to the seller, the vehicle has received numerous upgrades and replacement parts throughout its ownership, helping maintain its performance and drivability. The combination of classic body lines, upgraded mechanical components, and proven V8 power makes this Model A Vic an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy vintage street rod. It offers timeless appeal, dependable operation, and plenty of attention wherever it travels. 12. 1941 Ford Rat Rod. Price, $18,000, located in Morristown, Tennessee. This 1941 Ford Rat Rod delivers classic hot rod attitude with a rugged custom build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate raw style and mechanical simplicity. Featuring an aggressive vintage appearance, this Ford stands out with its unmistakable rat rod character while offering dependable performance for cruising, shows, and special events. Under the hood sits a small block Chevrolet engine paired with a 3-speed transmission, creating a proven combination that provides strong power and reliable operation. Built on a tube chassis, the vehicle benefits from a solid foundation that enhances strength and overall drivability. Front disc brakes improve stopping capability and add confidence behind the wheel. The seller describes the truck as a turnkey vehicle that runs and drives well, making it ready for immediate enjoyment without requiring major work. An additional highlight is the included rat rod trailer, which adds extra value and utility for transportation or display purposes. With a clean title and a distinctive custom presence, this 1941 Ford Rat Rod represents an affordable entry into the world of classic hot rods and custom-built American street machines.